Sometimes water is just too bland, am I right? Here's a detox recipe to spice up your H2O. Hello, my name is Chef Jelly. I love food and making recipes, and I want you to learn too. If it's your first time here, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification. Let's get started on how to learn how to make detox water. We got 4 strawberries. You slice them down. There you got your strawberries. Moving on to the lemon. Roll it out. Once it feels squishy, you can cut it into small circles. And there you have your lemon. Now for your cucumber, you only need about this much, so let's cut it. It's about 1, 2, 3, 1/4 of a cucumber. And just cut it down. Once you get to the tip, you could just discard it. There you have your cucumbers. Here we got mint, cucumber, strawberries, and lemon. To assemble your detox water, you need water and these desired ingredients. First, we're going to start off with the cucumber. We put 6 cucumbers in this large mason jar. Here we got a mint plant. We're going to take off a couple leaves and put it into our detox water. Don't forget to wash it because you don't want buggies in your water. After you wash it, you put it right into your jar. Now, to make detox water, you need water. So, you pour the water all the way to the top. And that's pretty much it. Shake it a couple times. And then you can leave this overnight so all the flavors can get inside the water and you'll be detoxed in the morning. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And for daily updates, follow me on Chef Jellies on Instagram. If you learned something in this video, please comment below and I'll see you next week.